Fire burned an over 100-year-old mill in Woonsocket to the ground. Governor Chafee tours the rubble. Here's WPRO's Allison Gato.
As the remains of the old mill still smolder in the blistering heat, Governor Lincoln Chafee takes a walking tour of the fire's devastation.
It's a challenge. It's millions.
Gingrich's campaign manager and numerous other key aides have resigned together. It's a strong blow to his hopes for the Republican presidential nomination. Gingrich press spokesman Rick Tyler told the Associated Press that he's resigned along with campaign manager Rob Johnson, senior strategists and aides in key early
2011 or 2012 focus at the lowest payment possible. Plus, you'll never spend money again on long-term maintenance or repairs and never again worry about losing money on a trade-in. Learn why over 50,000 Southern New Englanders will swear that Tasca's exclusive pre-trade is truly the low driving. Find out for yourself at Tasca Ford in Cranston or Seekonk or online at Tasca.com. You will be satisfied.
WPRO News Time is 6:05 from the Certified Restoration On-Time Traffic Center. Here's your Burger King Regional Traffic. WPRO at 99.7 FM. WPRO News Time is 6:07.
Can I play with madness? Well, I have a microphone and you don't.
This is the Matt Allen Show.
Starting to come down here too.
Really?
So, yeah, this is a bad one. There's thunder boomers and...
No, the big thunder boomers guy.
Thunder boomers, you know what those are, right, man?
All right, so...
My dad at home is probably diving under the bed.
Oh, I can imagine, right? My question is, how many people got grandparents? All right, take it easy, Sarah. Take it easy. Elena is calling from her car. Elena, you're next up on the Matt Allen Show. What are you seeing out there, Elena?
Well, I was coming from Exeter, and it was black, and I'm going towards Newport. Like, the sky was black, and the sky's turning up. But I'm from Kansas,
Yep.
And anytime the sky turns like this, and there's a little bit of rain, and there was a lot of humidity today, that means take out running. And that's what I did. I got in my car, and I just drove away from the dark storm clouds.
Really? This is somebody from Kansas.
Yes, Topeka. I've been in about 20 tornadoes, I say. I'm in my late 30s. So, I mean, I had one hit my high school. I had one hit a track meet. I mean, so I'm no stranger to it. But at the same time, you know, I know when to run, and I just got in my car and ran. So there you go.
All right, Elena, thanks for the update. Now, the weather conditions here are a little bit different, but we did have some tornadoes, obviously, in western Massachusetts was it 2 weeks ago now, or last week, and, you know, it's a possibility that it can happen here. I just saw the weather.
Cars kind of pulled off to the side of the road.
Really, that bad, huh?
Bumped around pretty good coming over the top of the Newport Bridge now.
I have never seen the sky this dark for a thunderstorm, ever.
I'm coming into town into Newport now. It's dark. There are a few good storms. It looks pretty good.
All right, Mark.
It's pretty whipped up good, too.
Yeah.
About 2 foot, 3 foot waves on the bay.
Really? Right now in the bay?
Yeah.
All right, well, be safe. All right there, man. Thank you very much, Mark. Thanks for the update. Pat's calling from Swansea out on Route 6. Pat, welcome to WPRO.
Hey, man, first-time caller.
Thanks, buddy.
Hey, love your show. Hey, I'm over here on Route 6 next to Dunkin' Donuts, having a coffee, and I'm telling you, this rain is coming down like cats and dogs.
Yeah.
Lightning all over the place. I'm telling you, these cars are like, they don't know which way to go.
That bad, huh?
Oh,
now, where are you? You're on Route 6 in Swansea?
Yeah, right at Dunkin' Donuts.
Down in
the park. We're in the parking lot.
You're talking about across the street from the mall?
No, the one that's next to Shell gas station.
Shell gas station, Route 6 in Swansea. I'm trying to remember where that is.
Yep, right where Marketman meets Swansea. Route 6.
Oh, all right, I see what you're saying. Yep.
Where the new CVS is.
Right. So that's actually Seekonk. Yeah, you're talking about GAR, right?
Yep,
right.
Well, they call it Route 6.
Right, I know what you're talking about. Right near Cardi's, over there. And
Yep, exactly. I'm right there, and I'm watching this, and I mean, there's lightning all over the place. I mean, it's crazy. I mean, it is the darkest. Well, it was about last summer they had I was listening to Jan George, and they had a tornado watch, and that was on 95.
Yeah.
I mean,
well, they're not doing any of that yet, but we're watching. If you hear anything about a tornado warning, I'll let you know about it. Pat, thank you, buddy. Appreciate the call. Phone number is 438-WPRO. The toll-free number is 1-800-321-WPRO. I'm getting increasing amounts of phone calls and requests for weathermanny. Now, we might have to do that at some point. But I guess the severe thunderstorm watch is on until, warning is on until I think 7:15 now, Nikki. Is that the newest one? 7:15. I'm sorry, what, Nick? Newport County till 7:15. So that's moving through the whole place. I got a request coming for Weather Manny. We'll do that in a little bit. Plus the phone. Chris is calling in. Chris, you're on WPRO 99.7 FM.
Hey, Matt.
Hi, Chris.
Chris Young.
Yeah.
Well, I was watching the State House testimony they were giving on 85903, and the lightning and thunder was happening in the background. And I would say that this bill that they're trying to put forward right now, the State House is the reason why God is doing this, and I think that this is an act of God.
So you think the thunderstorm is God's vengeance because of what's the piece of legislation about?
Well, they're passing 85903 sub A, which would allow them arrest you and enter your home if they have suspicion that you used your computer to harass or bully someone, and then also any other types of stuff they threw into the bill.
Well, I'm really interested to see what that bill says, but that's I don't know about about vengeance there, Chris. But thank you for your call. John's in Barville. John, you're on WPRO 99.7 FM. Hi, John.
Please do Weather Manny.
Oh, I'll play Weather Manny for you. I promise.
Awesome, thank you. I could describe, in minute, excruciating detail what I'm seeing here with the weather. I guess what I think I'm really seeing is global warming. Kansas-type weather in New England. Tornadoes,
Kansas-type weather in New England.
Yeah.
We get thunderstorms here all the time, John.
Yeah, but is it news though, then? Why is it news now?
It's always news.
Why?
Whenever we get, guys, I got everybody in the booth right now. Honestly, Nikki's in there, Maverick's in there. How many summers do we talk about weather like this when we get a bad thunderstorm because it's on everybody's mind? How many times do we do this? Year after year. Just about every summer. That's right. That's not just about every summer we talk about it. Yeah, it happens all the time. Weather is a constant conversation here.
Severe weather?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so could not this severe weather be global warming?
I don't know. Could it be? Sure. Could also be Easter Bunny spreading dust on the universe, too.
Or God's vengeance.
That's right. You know what? You laugh at one. One has just as much proof as the other. Thank you, John. Please don't send me any global warming emails. I don't need them. Phone number is 438-WPRO. The toll-free number is 1-800-321-WPRO. Email me, matt@630WPRO.com. In this weather, you need to know how to get around and what's going on out there. So, from the Certified Restoration On-Time Traffic Center, your Burger King Regional Traffic, brought to you by Dealey's Bakery. Dealey's Bakery now has a second location, opening on Thursday, June 9th at 751 West Shore Road in Warwick. Dealey's, the very best in Italian breads, rolls, pizzas, spinach pies, and pastries. Brian, what's going on the roads out there?
Well, Matty, the weather definitely slowing you down out there, but we have a couple of other things slowing you down, too. 4 South by Kenrod Road, we have an overturned vehicle on the right shoulder. This is causing very heavy backups on 4 South and on 4 North as well. That's out of curiosity, and that's back onto 1 North, too, and we had a lot of outgoing beach volume that was already there to begin with, so it's really a nightmare down that way. Allow for extra time if you're headed that way, for sure. Now, 95 North by Providence Place, right by the 610 connector inbound ramp onto 95 North. We still have that breakdown on the median. State Police blocking the right shoulder there. Heavy backup to Elmwood Avenue. Now it looks like we may have something else going on here, too. Just ahead of the Thurber's Avenue exit on 95 North. Looks like State Police blocking the left-hand travel lane there, so getting really ugly that way, too, as well. 95 South still kind of foggy from Branch House to 146. 146 South is bunching up from Admiral Street to the 95 Merge. 610 connector inbound, that's tight from Dean Street to the 95 ramp. 195 West is looking a little bit tight over the Highway Bridge. And from the Certified Restoration On-Time Traffic Center, I'm Brian Miller on News Talk 630 WPRO and 99.7 FM.
The street forever. Everybody, we got troubles over here. These big goddamn thunder boomers is coming this way from New York. Everything comes from over there. Those people always throw everything our way. Listen, it's going to be very, very bad weather. You need to go in your house right away. Close the windows. Stay away from the blinds, everything. Don't...
Hey, Nettie, it's over in Providence.
Oh, you're all done.
Yeah, it's done. It's dark, but it's over. But last night was the night to be in Providence at around 2 a.m.
My father called me today. He was in Providence.
This for their own personal benefit, because same-sex marriage and abortion, all of these things have a consequence. And guys,
and bad weather is the consequence.